before we got to Tanisha's, me and Desiree live on the same side of town, so we rode to Tanisha's together. And I'm a cold nature person, so I keep my car hot, toasty. Probably if you check the temperature for real, it's probably around 70 degrees year round. And I was like, oh my God, Desiree, are you hot? And she was like, I just kicked in the sauna mode, but that's okay. It's your car. I didn't want to say that. I'm like, girl, if you're ever melting, you got to say something because I'm gonna keep this car hot. So
And
yeah.